Welcome to Review Rumble. The best mead making kit is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding ways to dive into the ancient art of brewing your own honey wine right at home, offering a unique opportunity to craft a beverage steeped in history and flavor. This kit provides all the essential ingredients and equipment, simplifying the process for beginners while still delivering a high-quality, delicious mead that you can proudly share with friends or savor yourself. Imagine the satisfaction of transforming simple honey, water, and yeast into a golden elixir, perfectly tailored to your taste preferences, all within the convenience of your own kitchen. Number 5. BAVIFY Sourdough Starter Kit. Embark on your bread baking adventure with our all-inclusive sourdough starter kit. It provides every tool you need, from mixing to shaping, making artisan bread creation simple. Our proofing baskets are crafted from 100% natural Indonesian rattan, free from dyes and chemicals. They are designed to elevate your baking experience with premium quality and confidence. Enjoy the convenience of our Banneton baskets for easy bread proofing and a breeze to clean. Achieve perfect texture and a crispy crust effortlessly, baking like a seasoned pro. This comprehensive kit contains everything necessary for baking, including round and oval proofing baskets, liners, a dough whisk, scraper, scoring tool, and more. Ideal for anyone who loves baking bread, this kit makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. Bring the joy of freshly baked, hearty meals to your home and loved ones. What we like. This kit is perfect for beginners looking for a comprehensive sourdough starter experience. If you want a complete set with all the tools needed to go from mixing to baking, this is the one for you. It simplifies the process, making artisan bread accessible even if you're new to baking. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary equipment to get started, making it a convenient option for beginners. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, guiding users through the entire mead making process. The fermentation vessel is made of durable glass, ensuring a safe and reliable brewing experience. Number 4. Ayerphalo 38-ounce glass sourdough starter jar kit. Embark on your sourdough adventure with our all-inclusive kit. It's designed for beginners, making the process simple and enjoyable from the very start. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for perfect starter maintenance. From a wide-mouth jar for easy access to a handy spatula and precise measuring cups, we've got you covered. Learn to create your starter in just 3 minutes with our visual, step-by-step guide and accompanying videos. Explore 8 categories of delicious recipes, from bread to cakes and more. Keep tabs on feeding times and starter levels with the included elastic bands. A thermometer also helps ensure the ideal room temperature for optimal growth. Our 38 ounces jar is ideal for family-sized batches, allowing you to make up to 5 loaves without using excessive refrigerator space. The heat shock-tolerant glass ensures durability. Created by experienced bakers, this kit is perfect for starting a new family baking tradition. Plus, enjoy our 24/7 customer support for any questions you may have. What we like. For those who appreciate detailed guidance and easy tracking, this starter jar kit is an excellent choice. If you're a beginner who wants clear, step-by-step instructions, recipes, and tools to monitor your starter's progress, this kit is designed for you. Its generous size is also ideal for family baking needs. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary equipment for beginners to start making mead. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, even for someone with no prior brewing experience. The fermentation vessel is made of durable glass, ensuring a safe and effective brewing process. Number 3. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist and create unique, naturally flavored spirits right at home. It's perfect for anyone looking to craft their own signature drinks. Explore a world of flavor with 12 included natural infusion materials. Mix and match to create endless taste combinations tailored just for you. Craft a spirit that's truly yours, whether you prefer a single ingredient essence or a complex, multi-layered profile. We even provide beginner-friendly recipe suggestions. Wow your friends and family with expertly crafted infused spirits and cocktails made by you. Elevate your home entertaining game. Venture beyond the ordinary and discover exciting flavor profiles you won't find on store shelves. Experience the thrill of unique taste exploration. Presented in a beautiful gift package, this kit makes an ideal present for any celebration. It's a thoughtful and unique gift for anyone special. What we like. If you love experimenting with unique flavors and creating your own signature spirits, this infusion kit is a fantastic option. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys DIY projects and wants to impress friends with homemade cocktails. The variety of natural ingredients allows for endless flavor combinations, making it a great gift for the adventurous. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary equipment to get started, making it a convenient option for beginners. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, which is great for those new to mead making. The fermentation vessel is made of durable glass, ensuring a safe and effective brewing process. Number 2. Must Be Company 1-gallon mead making kit. Discover the joy of crafting your own delicious honey wine with our all-inclusive 1-gallon mead making kit. Everything you need to get started is right here. This comprehensive kit includes a glass carboy, airlock, yeast, nutrients, spices, and a detailed recipe guide. You'll have all the tools for a successful brew. Experience a delightfully dry mead, enhanced by our unique spice melody packet. Enjoy notes of orange and cinnamon that develop beautifully with age. New to brewing. Our easy-to-follow guide makes the entire process simple, from start to finish. You'll be enjoying your homemade creation in no time. Looking for a special gift? This DIY mead kit is perfect for foodies, hobbyists, and anyone who loves craft beverages or homebrewing. It's a memorable present for any occasion. We use a gentle warming method to preserve the honey's natural flavors, ensuring a smoother fermentation and a more refined finished product. This sets our kit apart. What we like. This mead making kit is ideal for beginners who want to try their hand at making honey wine. If you're looking for a straightforward process with all the necessary equipment and ingredients, including unique spices for a complex flavor, this is a great starting point. Its gentle warming method ensures a superior fermentation and a refined final product. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary equipment to start making mead, including a fermenter, airlock, hydrometer, and sanitizer. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The fermenter is made of durable glass and is easy to clean. Number 1. Whiskey Making Kit, DIY Alcohol Infusion. Unleash your inner distiller with this unique kit. Infuse spirits with American oak, cinnamon, cacao beans, and more. It's the perfect gift for those who love hands-on experiences and experimenting with flavors. This is a whiskey lover's dream, presented in a sleek, gift-ready box. It includes everything needed to create a signature blend, making it a top gift for husbands, dads, and connoisseurs. Blend bold flavors like dark chocolate, orange peel, coffee beans, and chilies to create your own signature spirit. Whether for classic cocktails or new bourbon blends, this kit is a must-have. Keep your drink perfectly ice-cold without watering it down. This set includes stainless steel cubes, plus a funnel and strainer for smooth pouring. Enjoy the best tasting experience. This infusion set turns any occasion into an unforgettable experience. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or anniversaries for anyone who loves DIY projects and creating custom spirits. What we like. For the whiskey enthusiast who enjoys a hands-on approach, this DIY kit is a perfect fit. If you're looking to craft your own signature whiskey blends with unique botanicals and oak, this set is for you. It also includes whiskey stones to keep your drink perfectly chilled without dilution, making it a comprehensive gift for any whiskey lover. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary equipment to get started, making it a convenient option for beginners. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, guiding users through the entire mead-making process. The fermentation vessel is made of durable glass, allowing for easy monitoring of the fermentation process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.